So our Dragon Slayer was taking a look at this stained glass night, and he's thinking, uh-oh, there's a problem. I noticed a scratch on one of the pieces of glass, and I don't know how it got there, whether it was originally there or if I did something to scratch it. And I also had a subscriber make a comment, so the subscriber noticed it too, so I'm like, wow, that's actually quite the scratch. Let's take a closer look here. You see that? That is, and although it's dependent on lighting, if you change the lighting, I mean, see it disappears, right? Can't see it at all, but I mean, I'm not liking it, so I'm going to, in this video, I'm going to change out that piece of glass, and you might find this enjoyable. And I know that our Dragon Slayer is going to be happy with that.